Here's our next small town downtown video. We're going to be in Colorado this time. And it is during Christmas. I'm filming this before Christmas, so this is coming out after Christmas. So you'll see, one of the great things about small towns, they decorate their downtown area. And so you'll probably see a lot of Christmas decorations, a little Christmas hangover video, if you could call it. But yeah, in this video, like the other ones I've done before, it's only incorporated towns and only incorporated towns that are less than 5,000 people. So consider that a fairly small town. We're going to start in Burlington, Colorado, which is over 3,000 people, so one of the bigger ones. And we'll stroll through the downtown area, show you some of the historic buildings just on that main street. And then at the end of the video, I'll rank them 1 through 10, and you put in what you think your rankings are in the comments, and we'll see if we agree or disagree. So let's go ahead and get started with Burlington, Colorado. Burlington, Colorado is the county seat of Kit Carson County. It has a population of 3,172 at the 2020 census. It was established in 1887, and it's said that it had several land buyers come to the area from Burlington, Kansas and Burlington, Iowa, and thus together they insisted to name the town Burlington. There's not much to see on the main street of Bethune, Colorado, which is also in Kit Carson County. It is along a railroad, which would be behind us in this video. But the population here is 183. It was established in 1889, incorporated in 1926. It was named for Mary McLeod Bethune, who is a civil rights leader and co-founded Bethune-Cookman College in Florida. I think it's fitting that the school in town is right there in front of us at the end of the street. We have now moved over to Cheyenne County, and we are in the county seat of Cheyenne County, Cheyenne Wells, population 758. It was founded in the 1870s, incorporated in 1890, and it was named because the Cheyenne Indians maintained water wells near the original town site. We stay in Cheyenne County for the small town of Kit Carson, not in Kit Carson County, but a separate town named Kit Carson with a population of only 255. The original town or community was established in 1838, but then it was moved here along the railroad in the 1870s, incorporated in 1931, and obviously named after the famous frontiersman Kit Carson. We are now in Crowley County, Colorado, and the county seat of Crowley County here is Ordway, population 1,066. It was established around 1890, then incorporated in 1900, named after a Denver politician named George Ordway. Staying in Crowley County, we're now in the town of Crowley, population of only 166. It was established in 1890 and incorporated in 1921, named after the state senator John Crowley, who was instrumental in the formation of Crowley County. Olney Springs, also in Crowley County, with a population of 315, was established in 1909 and incorporated just 3 years later in 1912. It's showing the importance of the railroad here. It was named after a railroad official with the last name Olney. As you can tell, it's starting to get dark as we have entered Fowler, Colorado in Otero County, population 1,253. It was originally named Oxford when it was established in 1882 because a large ox was killed when crossing railroad tracks. It was then changed to Fowler in 1890 after a local scientist, Orson Fowler, who helped found the town. And you are not seeing things. It is the next day, and we have a nice sunny day to finish out our video. We are here in Walsenburg in Orfano County, Colorado. This is the county seat, actually, with a population of 3,049. It was originally settled in 1859 under the name La Plaza de la Leones after a settler who came from New Mexico, and then 1970 the post office was changed to Walsenburg after early settler Fred Walson. our final town. We are also in Orfano County, and this is Veta, population 862. It was established in 1871 with the name Spanish Peak, and then changed in 1876 to Veta, which means mineral vein in Spanish. It's near the Veta Pass, which was the highest U.S. railroad pass in the 1870s. That was a great tour of 10 towns in kind of eastern and then, southern Colorado. Very hard to pick my top ones. In fact, I have a little system I'm trying to sort out when I do these videos and my rankings. And so 8 of these 10 towns I had as a 7.0 or higher. And I don't know, maybe I was influenced by the sunshine, but Walsenburg is going to be at the top of my list. And just had a nice downtown, a lot of really cool old historic buildings, and so really enjoyed Walsenburg. And then I had a tie for number 2, and Fowler was one of mine that had a lot of cool old Western stuff, and I've been to that town before, so I enjoyed that. And then Ordway was my other one that I'm going to put up there in the top 3, and that was kind of a surprise. I'd never been there before. Had a lot of great old buildings to look at as you're driving through the downtown. So here's my complete list from 1 to 10. How did your rankings match up? Did you have Walsenburg at the top, or maybe you had one of these other ones? Because like I said, the top 8 I had all ranked pretty high and very close to each other. After I got done at Veta, I was heading to New Mexico. So at the end of the video here, I'm going to have just a short little scenic drive on US 160, kind of through the mountains. There is a really beautiful drive. So hope you enjoyed this video. Put your comments below and see if we agree or if we agree to disagree.